check this out. We got a GT2 RS, the brand new Speedster, essentially a convertible GT3, clocking at a whopping, I think it's an MSRP of like $300,000, and that is not including the markup. We got two dogs over there, GT3 RS, and Marcus's 997 Sport Classic tribute car right over there. Guys, Wild Enzo on Sunset Boulevard in the rain. Unicorn out in the wild, guys. Look at that. Woo. Shut the fuck up. Look at this. Ferrari Enzo out in the wild. It's a little rainy, but guys, we have not seen a proper spot in Los Angeles in God knows how long. So this is a very rare moment. It's got the In-N-Out Hamburgers no delay sticker on the rear. There's his Instagram handle if you guys want to follow him. Look what just rolled up, a 599 with the Enzo. Apparently some sort of rally that's happening tomorrow for over the course of the next couple days through Beverly Hills, Los Angeles. But dude, guys, I know we've been filming this for quite a bit, but I'm telling you, seeing a wild Ferrari Enzo, a hypercar in the wild, is something else, man. It's much more exciting than, say, seeing one at a show that's a static display. And it's starting to rain a little bit, so we're gonna hide under this awning here. But dude, my goodness, and it's 599. The Endo Rally 2019. V12s on V12s. Guys, check out the license plate on the Jeep. Downtown LA Life, DTLA Life on the Jeep. Wow, what a combo here. Uh-oh, what do we got here? We got a fake X6M here. All right, guys, check this out. So our buddy Marcus has told us that he has a special car that's basically been forgotten and abandoned. It's a very long story. I'm not going to bore you with it, but check this out. It's a Mercedes 500e. This is a collaboration with Porsche and Mercedes back in the 90s. Check this out. It's on the best condition. We're missing a lot of parts. Check this out. We're going to open up the engine hood as such. Let's do this. Lift it up. Yeah, so we're missing the front fenders here, the engine, the front bumper. We're missing the passenger seat, the driver's seat, the airbag, the whole steering wheel needs to be replaced. The rear fenders here, we're gonna have to get some AMG wheels, and of course the rear bumper is missing as well. So this car is in pretty rough condition, but if you're not aware, this particular car is very sought after, is extremely rare. And we're thinking of either picking this up and restoring it to its former beauty. Let's open up the car over here. I think it's unlocked. Take a look. So yeah, the last person that had access to this car unfortunately stole these two seats here and pawned them off. And this is the result. But for the most part, the rear seats are in pristine condition. They're the black interior. They used to be tan, but Marcus found these and replaced them with the black interior rear seats. But this is kind of what we're working with. What do you guys think?
That's it.
So the headliner, the rear seats, everything, even including the instrument cluster, is basically brand new. Yeah, so it has a clean title, so it's not like a salvage car. It's just, it's missing a couple pieces. So we're trying to calculate in our minds if this is worth fixing up. What do you guys think? A project car, the 500e on the F-Spot channel. Is that a yay or a nay? Or is this just simply too much work and should we just not do it completely? Because I personally don't know a single thing about restoring cars. But let me know in the comments below. This is a very rare and a very incredible find here, guys. We're gonna close up the engine hood here. Boom. If we were to repaint and rebuild this entire car, Max, what color should we do it in? Factory color, silver. It's a classic color. You can't argue with that. This is a very sick car. We saw a pristine example of the E500 earlier in Beverly Hills in green. We also saw one at Tatsumi in Japan, and the guy, dude, that thing was pristine, absolutely perfect, 100%. As you can tell, there's a lot of work that needs to be done. I personally never fixed up a broken, salvaged, or a car in this particular condition, missing the engine, the front fenders, the rear bumper, the front bumper, two seats. Obviously the steering wheel and the airbag needs to be replaced. I don't know, let's just open this up from the rear here, give it a different angle. Hold on, boom. Oh yeah, there's a lot that needs to be done here. So my question to the viewers is, yes, this is a very cool car. very cool history. These cars have skyrocketed in the past 2, 3, 4 years, mainly because of Porsche enthusiasts, because as you know, the 500e was a collaboration between the two companies, Mercedes and Porsche. But a pristine or a high mileage example of this car will fetch for around, at the minimum, $30,000. So if we put $10, $12, $15,000 conservatively to restore this car to its former glory, do you guys think that would be a wise investment? Would you guys be interested in seeing something like this on the channel? Let me know in the comments below, because we got a lot of work to do on top of the other project cars that are happening on this channel. So we're basically just picking up cars left and right. I think this could be a winner. I don't know. We'll see about that. We just had the trunk open and we're trying to open it again on camera for a dramatic effect. I think we jammed it. So it's a mechanical issue. It's not a big deal. It's also missing a rear brake light here as well. So we're just scratching our heads trying to figure this whole situation out. Very, very odd situation. I don't know. I see potential in this project. I'm gonna have to seriously consider it. That's it, guys. We're gonna head back to Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills, see what we see, and we'll be talking about the other project cars that's coming to this channel very, very shortly. So stay tuned for that, guys. Let's roll out. All right, we're currently here on the phone with Ken Sato, guys. I'm on the phone. We're negotiating the price for the next car. If we commit to it now, he's just gonna hold on to the car and I just wire transfer the money and then we're good, right?
Yeah, maximum's a week. And
gotcha.
The car will be all yours. Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Seriously?
We're sat at Marcus's apartment lobby. We're playing fucking pool and we're bored out of our mind. So we're gonna just do it right now. Let's do it. I'm literally vlogging myself. Look, I'm vlogging myself.
All right. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Now, quick question. There's no possible way for me to drive this then, right? Or...
It depends how long the registration process takes, I guess.
Okay, gotcha. Well,
we'll try. I think we could try and get a temporary dealer plate for this.
100%. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So just even like just drop it around the block or whatever it is. It should be fine.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, let's just lock it down now, and then I'll start the wire transfer. So before James heads back to Utah, he's gonna swing by Vegas, all the way back to Salt Lake City in 2 days. This is the first time I'm in town when James is taking delivery of his third supercar here in Los Angeles. I missed the Gallardo many years ago. I missed the Aventador 2 years ago, but finally, at last, we're here in Los Angeles. I'm here to see him take delivery of the 4 GT. So, that being said, guys, oh my God, is that CLA 250? It's fucking nasty. Guys, the license plate game here in Los Angeles, on point with just big, but if he would have gone bigger, should have gone the GLE AMG variant. Just do a bit of a casual spotting here in oh no. Yeah, seems like everyone is out here in Beverly Hills right now, but check this out. We got Gotham City out of service and Bad Ventador's Aventador there. Guys, it's gonna be the last time we're gonna see James's Stradman's 4 GT completely stock. Man, it's a sad day, because we all know it's gonna turn purple or some sort of racing livery. Anyways. Oh, they just like, what, two cops pulled over each other? Oh, I thought there was gonna be some action. There was not. Oh no, what in the fuck? Get the fuck out of here. This guy's just like, can I go? Oh no. All right, guys, we're currently taking wagers to see if is it a Lexus? Yeah. See, this Lexus SUV here could make the parallel parking. All right, this is attempt number 4 here. Here we go. Hold on. 4th time's a charm. Oh, here we go. Back it up. Nice. Turn the wheel all the way. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, now turn the wheel the other way. No, 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 no. No, that's not a good angle. Don't crunch your tire up. Now they just sat there. Oh no. Oh, they're gonna try it again? Oh. Careful now. Okay. Now turn the no, wrong way, wrong way.